Okay, second graders, today we're talking about patterns. So we're looking for patterns in these charts. If you look up here at the top, it says what pattern is shown by the ones digits from left over here to right over here. Well, I see 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So the pattern is going up by 1. But I can look over here and it says what pattern is shown by the tens digits from top to bottom. So 40, let's look, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. Well, I notice that there's a 3 in the ones place on all of them, but look at the tens place, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The tens place is going up by 1, so it's going up by tens. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, but the ones are staying the same with the 3. So it's going up by 10. Let's go ahead and do number 1. Write the missing numbers. So I see 36 and 37. I know that 35 comes 1 before 36, so that's going to go in this box. So I know that they're going by ones across this way. So 35, 36, 37. Oh, but these have 4s in them. So this is 45, 46, 47. It's like we're taking just a piece of the hundreds chart. And these start with 20, so it would be 25, 26, 27. Oh, wow, look at these. These are in the hundreds. So I'm using the ones I know right here to figure out the pattern. So I see a 3 and a 6, and a 3 and a 7. The 0 stays the same, so I know there's going to be a 0 in the ones place. 6, 7, oh, so this must be 5, 5, 6, 7, and the 3 stays the same. 350, 360, 370. Let's look at this. So I know that the middle number is the one that changes the tens. So 460. This is going to be 470 and 450. Notice the tens place is the only one that changes. So I know all these have 5s in them. So 5 is going to go here. And then all of these will have 0s in them. So 0 goes here. The hundreds is what changed. So 3, 4. So this must be 2. 2, 3, 4. Same over here. 2, 6, 0, 260, 270. Okay, number 2. Ooh, whoops. Wrong tool. Number 2. So I'm using what I already know. So I see a 12, blank 14. Oh, well, that must be the number that comes in between 12. 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this is 22. So this must be 23, 24. Okay, now these should have 3 in the tens place. So 32, 33, 34. Let's move on to this. Oh, so I see what they're doing. They're making the tens that look the same. With the ones. So over here, the tens are the same. And then they move it on to 100. So they're just adding a 0, so it should be the same. This is 12, 13, 14. This is 120, 130, because I just add a 0, 140. So 22 is 220. 23 would be 230, just adding a 0. 24 would be 240. Down here, 32 would be 320. 33 is 330, and 34 would be 340, 340. Moving on to the next one. All right, number 3. Oh, look, this one, it gives me a pattern, 38, 48, 58. Oh, so there's an 8 in each of these. Just changes by the tens. 3, 4, 5. So let's see. 46, blank, 48. Well, I know 47 comes between those two. So I know that these all in this line are going to have a all in this row. I'm going to have a 3 in the tens place. So 37, 36. And then the same over here. All of these down here are going to have the same in the ones, but change the tens. So 57, 56, 57, 58. Yep, that makes sense. Okay, remember they're using this tens chart to help you with the hundreds. So I know these are all the same, except for the hundreds places changed. So 460, 470, 480. This one's going to be the same as 36, but with a 0 because we're changing it to hundreds. 360, 370, 380. And then down here, they should all start with a 5. 560, 560, 570, 570, and 580. Let's see, do you understand? Ooh. The do you understand says, look at exercise 2. What is the number pattern of the rows in the second chart? So you're looking at the second row. Remember, rows go across. So what is the pattern of this second row? Remember to do that on Seesaw. Go to the next slide. Okay, it's your job now. Write the missing numbers. So look at what you know. 77 and 78. What comes before 77? And then that should help you. Remember, this chart over here, they're putting it in the hundreds, so you're just going to add a 0. Same over here. Look at what you know to help you with the pattern. This chart over here, you're just adding a 0. You should be able to figure out this one first, because 33, 35, what comes in between 33 and 35? 34. And then number 6, we already know 71 and 72. What comes before 71 and 72? 70, 71, 72. Remember, add a 0. This would be 600. Oh, I'm looking in here, so I know it's got to be 610. Looking here, I know that the first number is 6, so it's going to be 620. See if you can figure out the rest. What is the rule on number 7? So it goes 230 to 130, 430 down to 330, 630 down to 530. Well, I'm looking, and the tens and the ones stay the same on all of these. They both have a 3 in the tens and a 0 in the ones. So it's just, oops, the hundreds that is changing. Is it going up or down? That's right, it's going down. So the rule is, you're going to write this, I'm helping you with this one, going down by 100. All right, go to the back. Okay, you should be on the back. Same thing, complete the chart to solve. Ron sees a pattern in the chart below on the left. Complete the chart on the right to show another pattern. Oh, this one's cool. They already gave me all the answers right here. Remember my rule? On the second chart, you just have to add a, that's right, 0, because it's now in the hundreds place value. Okay, number 9. Which best describes the pattern of jars on the paint jars? So we start at 169, 179, 189, 199. I noticed that the hundreds place is staying the same, and the ones place is staying the same. The tens place, that's what's changing. So is my rule A, 1 more, B, 1 less, C, 10 more, or D, 100 more? Which place value changed? the ones, the tens, or the hundreds? That will give you your answer. And number 10. Write a story about a number pattern that shows 10 more or 10 less. Here's my example. Here's my story. I draw 12 stars on a paper. Then I draw 22 stars. Then I draw 32 stars. What's my pattern? So I see that the 2 stays the same, and it's the tens place that changes. So my pattern is going up by 10. So I could just write plus 10.